Hello YouTube people, this is Mark and Ray out for a little ride. It's cool today, but we thought we'd get out and ride. We haven't rode in a couple of weeks because last week it got down to 17 degrees. We had the winter vortex come over, and we thought we were going to freeze to death. Normally our temperatures don't drop but to about 40 at night, and we were down to 17 degrees. And I think like 30 the high of the daytime, which today's high was like 67, and I probably right now is probably the low 50s and high 40s. I would say it's high 50s, wouldn't you, Ray?
Yeah, I'd say somewhere in the upper 50s.
But we thought we'd get out and take a little ride because it's been a couple of weeks since we got to ride, and we wanted to charge our batteries up to make sure that they don't go dead on us. So we're just riding down the road to enjoy the ride for just a few minutes. It's a little chilly, but nothing you can't stand.
Yeah, this is our first really outing on the bike since our trip from St. Augustine.
Oh, I know. That was, what, a month ago, basically?
Yeah, we went. Basically a month since we've been on the bike.
Yeah, we just wanted to get out and go for a short little ride to enjoy the bikes. We missed riding and thought we would get out and enjoy it. They're giving 90% chance of rain tonight and 40 tomorrow, so tomorrow that'll knock us out of riding, I'm sure. That is unreal to me how the suction from a truck passing you the force of it is unreal.
But you know, it's so wild, it doesn't move me at all. It doesn't affect me.
It does my bike.
Of course, the minute I put my shield down, the nose freezes.
The minute you put your shield down, you did what?
My nose itches.
Oh yeah, it's inevitable. Your nose, your eye, something will itch on your face whenever you put your shield down and start riding. It never fails. But we'd like to do a little shout out to FOD. We was chatting with him back and forth on Facebook earlier today, giving him a hard time. But I think
he's a great guy.
Yeah, he's a very good guy.
He makes great videos.
Yeah, he makes wonderful videos, and I think he's a true person. I think what you see on video is what you see in person. I don't think he's a fake person.
No, I think he's genuine.
I think he's a genuine person. But we like to cut up with him back and forth on Facebook from time to time. And I know he said he was getting new sticker decals out, so looking forward to getting that and putting on her bikes. Christine needs a tattoo on her, so I guess he'll be the first tattoo she gets to have.
Yeah, you couldn't ask for a better piece of artwork.
Yeah. So, but we're looking forward to seeing more of his videos. I don't understand. I think South Carolina has the shittiest roads there are.
And full of potholes.
Potholes, they'll spend money on other things, but I don't think they know what it is to.
I think when you're coming down this side of the bridge and start on that curve,
right.
I turn on my turn signal, let that line of cars behind you know we're going to turn.
Oh yeah. But my hands are a little cold. I'm not freezing, but I couldn't find my wintry gloves, so I had to wear my thin gloves. But that's all good. I'm not freezing, so I don't understand these fucking people behind me. I'm giving my signal, one's right up on my ass and the other one's trying to pass the car behind the second one behind that one. And that son of a bitch didn't have the right of way.
No.
That's unreal to me.
That's what you get with stupid drivers.
That is so unreal.
I'm trying not to get separated from you.
Oh, I'm behind you. But you see what crazy drivers we have. You see the car pull out in front of Ray and him trying to make a turn and they thought it was legal to go in front of him. I tell you what, people just amaze me. But anyway, we made the safe turn and on our way back toward the house. We just wanted to make a little quick lap around our neighborhood. Warm the bikes up because, like I said, they hadn't been out for over 2 weeks and we wanted to get them to let them exercise. But anyway, we just wanted to make a short little video and say hey to FOD, and can't wait to see him and his wife and his group get back out on the road and start entertaining us again. Y'all have a good day. Subscribe to our channel. Like, dislike, whatever you feel. Good, bad, it don't matter. We all learn from all. So, this is Ray and Mark. See you later.
Later.